Resurgence of institutional investment in Bitcoin ETFs signals market optimism for 4 consecutive days. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs have experienced positive inflows, coinciding with an uptick in Bitcoin prices. This trend suggests a renewed interest from institutional investors as the recent price correction appears to be stabilizing. Anticipating a second wave of institutional buying, Bitcoin BTC is swiftly moving past the corrective phase of the last 10 weeks. Institutional investment is picking up, and positive market sentiment is on the rise, evidenced by the Fear and Greed Index shifting back to greed. On Thursday alone, $257 million flowed into U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs, following $303 million on Wednesday, $100 million on Tuesday, and $66 million on Monday. This renewed interest could mark the beginning of a significant second wave of institutional buying. Bitcoin's potential versus skepticism. Despite growing institutional interest from pension funds, family offices, banks, and asset managers recognizing Bitcoin's potential, skepticism persists. Federal Reserve President Neel Kashkari recently compared Bitcoin to Beanie Babies, claiming it has still shown no actual usefulness in the real world. A hedge against currency debasement. Leaders from major institutions would likely disagree with Kashkari. Bitcoin is increasingly viewed as a hedge against the debasement of fiat currency, a critical use case in today's economic environment. Jack Mallers, CEO and founder of Zap, a Bitcoin investment and payments company, contextualized Kashkari's remarks, stating, "Our governments have borrowed a tremendous amount of time and energy from our future in the form of money with no way of paying it back. Governments plan to realize that loss by debasing the currency." Bitcoin's ascent towards all-time highs. The weekly chart for $BTC is showing promising signs. On Friday, the price touched $66,800, the top of the bull flag. With the weekend ahead, bulls aim to break this resistance and close the weekly candle above it, potentially setting the stage for an assault on the all-time high of approximately $73,600. In addition to institutional inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs, the bulls are bolstered by a cross-up in the weekly stochastic RSI. This momentum indicator, especially as it crosses the 20 level, could significantly boost $BTC prices in the coming week.